Welcome back to my CryptoQ Media channel. It's great to have you back. Get this, folks, XRP has started printing green candles. Here is the fantastic news everyone has been waiting for. My forecast for XRP's future trajectory and the factors contributing to its phenomenal performance are among the many astounding news items included in this video. Finally, let's talk about the future of the Bitcoin market and, by extension, time. Simply clicking the like button will ensure that this video is shown to all viewers. This price action has been building for some time, so I think it's important to address it first. The film was shot at a period when XRP had a one-day gain of 14%. Although I was expecting a daily drop due to the stochastic RSI's current overbought situation, XRP is now just following the market trend for cryptocurrencies overall. As far as anyone can see, the current spike in Bitcoin prices is completely ridiculous. How absolutely true. Just a string of green candles was being printed by Bitcoin. Lastly, Bitcoin saw some red, which my community and I happened to short and subsequently profited from. The period from November 5th to November 11th did, in fact, see a large number of people liquidated. Although we will discuss the financial losses that occurred during that period, the information I am about to provide will also be helpful for the many people who are currently enjoying extremely high incomes. Finally, XRP is outperforming the market, therefore I can tell you all are curious about XR's future. Then what comes next? Additionally, I am of the firm belief that XRP will undoubtedly surpass 70 cents in the near future. I would like to start here. The number of crypto leverage positions liquidated yesterday was over 1 billion, in case you were wondering. What a load of crap. And yes, I would agree. However, many individuals have substantial sums of money resting in their Bitcoin investments that they have yet to cash out. Yes, it is true, but there is also another factor to think about. Okay, totally insane. In order to understand the current state of cryptocurrency, it is imperative that we focus on the local economy. There are many more aspects to think about, but it is definitely going nuts. First of all, here's something that is currently perplexing and concerning: oil prices are falling while stock markets are at all-time highs. Nearing its lowest values since May of 2023, oil prices have dropped 12% in 4 weeks. Also, for the fourth month running, OPEC has lowered its growth prediction for oil demand. Please explain what is going on. Here we can see the oil market's long-term technical setup, which has been in a downward spiral. Continuously, we are witnessing lower lows and higher lows in this market. China is the largest consumer of oil in the world, but its demand has been disappointing, which has been the main issue. Electric vehicles are becoming more popular, especially in China, and their broad acceptance has led to a dramatic decline in global oil use. The demand for oil is actually going down, and these forecasts show that this trend will keep going, because more and more governments are offering tax refunds and credits to make electric car purchases very attractive to consumers. This is something that requires our whole attention, I must say. Every time oil prices go up, it's obvious that demand estimates are cut and the rally is sold. OPEC also downgraded its demand growth forecasts for 2024 and China, respectively, cutting the former by 103 million and 1.8 million, and cutting the latter by 450,000. As a result, there is nothing in the way of demand. You might be wondering, what does this have to do with the overall economy? This is the problem that develops as oil consumption drops. From what we can see, oil demand has been on the rise for some time now. Thus, what is fresh oil prices have been rising due to uncertainty over supply rather than demand. The reason behind this is that oil was the driving force behind nearly all gadgets used throughout the Industrial Revolution and continues to be the case for most modern technology. You are aware that the economy has been behaving in this manner. But now it seems like the economy is changing. We are becoming less reliant on oil, and this trend is expected to persist, thanks to the rise of electric vehicles. The price will continue to decline due to this and the oversupply of oil producers. The people who will buy it? Clearly, lowering the price is the only way to sell it. I think this is going to stick around for a while. You should be well prepared for this because of the significant effect it will have on our economy. Investors are moving their money away from commodities like these and toward investments like stocks and cryptocurrencies, which will garner even more attention in the years to come. That makes sense to me as an investor. Would you like to invest in a field where everyone is predicting massive growth due to its seemingly endless potential applications? Perhaps you'd rather not invest in something that will be outdated in a matter of years. This idea appears to be very self-evident to me. This is why, as we will see in a moment, XRP is about to witness an influx of fresh funding. We must also resolve the matter pertaining to our credit card information, because this is really vital. The average amount spent on credit cards is 6.9% higher than last year, 20% higher than 2 years ago, and 28% of American consumers who used credit cards for holiday shopping last year are still paying off the balance. Asset classes can only rise if people have the means to invest in them. That 28% of people still haven't paid off from last year is insane. It's a somebody from long ago. You can see that these are the official figures. I can tell you two things are happening right now. There has been a record-breaking performance by the markets. Additionally, consumer credit card debt has reached all-time highs. It's just incredible. Spending above people's means is problematic because, as the financial crisis of 2007 to 2008 showed, bubbles eventually burst. To prevent a bank run in 2007 and 2008, the government issued a lot of money to prop up failing financial institutions. Everything will fall apart as a result, and it's highly probable that this will occur again. To my knowledge, Bitcoin is currently the market's biggest gamble, and if central banks opt to bail out their citizens, a significant chunk of those bailout money wind up going into the cryptocurrency market. What the market is essentially indicating is this. The US currency, they say, will lose value. In all likelihood, virtual money isn't. I propose we put all our eggs in the cryptocurrency basket and cross our fingers. For obvious reasons, Bitcoin's value has surpassed that of gold. Right now, a kilogram of gold will set you back about 83,000, while a Bitcoin will cost you about 86,000. Everyone, this is really ridiculous. That is totally absurd. This is an important indicator of how the market views Bitcoin, though. Compared to a kilogram of gold, it's a safer bet right now. The ultra-wealthy are investing more in Bitcoin than gold, which is unprecedented historically and is even more true at the moment. That is the only reason why it is crucial. It means a lot to me that you watched my video. Please tell me what you think after you've finished by clicking the subscribe button. 52.